Hi, I'm Reade Palmer, founder of Hero Flooring, and I'm excited to share some information with you about our Hero Rubber Made with Nike Grind program. Nike takes back end-of-life athletic footwear and also manufacturing scrap. Nike recycles every different material that's in this product. At Hero, we actually take the recycled rubber itself and we work with it in different aggregate sizes to create three very unique collections of product. The three collections that we offer today are Original, Vitality, and Axis. Each of these collections we use different percentages of Nike Grind and also different aggregate sizes of Nike Grind to give ourselves very, very unique visuals, giving you complete flexibility in design. All three collections of the Hero Rubber Made with Nike Grind program are certified Red List free of all harmful materials and chemicals, have published Declare labels, third-party verified and published EPD, and are FloorScore certified. We offer roll goods in the Original collection only, and the Original collection also comes in tile format in a 24-inch by 24-inch or 48-inch by 72-inch large tile format. It's important to note that each of our collections that we offer tile in, you can specify either a straight edge tile or an interlocking tile. The Vitality collection and Axis collection, both available in tile only, come in a 24-inch by 24-inch format or our large size tile, 48-inch by 72-inch tile. These products offer such versatility in design that we find them used quite often in corporate workplace space, education, K through 12, university, retail spaces, hospitality, and of course, fitness and athletic spaces. Because of the different use cases, we offer different thicknesses for the products that are specified. We start at a 4mm thickness, for example, and we go all the way up to an 18mm thickness for your high intensity spaces, such as Division I athletics or professional sports. Here in our Chicago showroom, in this tunnel, we're showing Axis and Original working together on the floor. Through the use of water jet cutting, gives you great flexibility when it comes to logo work and intricate design that you may have in mind for your project.